So guys, I'll be cleaning up my email 8000 lock stitch industrial machine today. I've been using it um for some time now, like a year without cleaning it up, and I noticed that of recent my stitches keep cutting, so I decided to clean it up. These are the tools I'll be using. I have my foam for cleaning, I have my brush, I have my screwdriver. I'll be using this one to unscrew any part that needs to be unscrewed. So my machine is quite dirty, and this is the bowl I'll be using to take out the oil, and this is my oil. So this is my machine right now. Can you see it? It's quite dirty. There is a screw here. You can locate that in your machine. So the first thing is to unlock the screw. Now, can you see that? Okay, now this is a screw. I'm going to unlock this screw to take out all the oil in the machine. So remember to keep a container under the point where the oil will be draining out from, to take the oil, to collect the oil. So I'm dropping my container at the bottom part here, and then I'll try to unscrew this part. I'm going to open it up right now. Can you hear that sound? The oil is draining right now. So I'll just leave it to drain completely before cleaning my machine. This is the screw that I removed. Can you see it? It's still draining. Let's leave it to drain completely. Now I'm going to clean up my machine properly, removing all the particles. There are beads, there are pins, there are all sorts in this my container. Can you see the beads? Can you see the beads? The machine is very dirty. So I'm going to clean it up properly. So I'm using my foam and my brush. Where my foam cannot get to, I believe my brush will get there. Okay, right now I'm done with cleaning the tank. Can you see how neat it is? I'm done with cleaning the tank. So I will replace the oil. This is the oil I collected from my machine. This is the oil. Now it has settled down, so all the particles are already at the bottom. So I'm going to replace it back into the tank. Then if there is shortage out, before doing that, I'm going to place the nut back into this hole to cover the hole. So the tank is covered. Can you see the knot? That's it over there. Now I'm going to replace this oil because it's still it's still good, even though this oil is still good, even though there are so many particles in it. I'm just going to replace it back into my tank. Now there is a gauge. There is low and there is high. So I'll just let it get to the high gauge. Okay, I think it's okay like this. It's at the high gauge right now. Alright. Okay, so I'll just drop back my machine. Then I'll do general cleanup around my machine. So this is me just dusting and cleaning all the parts of my EMEL 8500 industrial sewing machine. Oh, I'm so exhausted, but I'm happy I did this. Thank you for watching till the end. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.